Hey everybody, and welcome to another video on the caravan project. This time we're trying to figure out what we believe to be a drain cloggage. So at the moment we're just poking around to see where different water comes out of. So we're starting with the sink. We're going to see where this water comes out of if I pour it down the sink. So just to get an idea of which water goes where. Ready?
Yeah.
It's pouring.
That red one.
The red one?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's the main one.
So red and main one.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to try the other side, see if it's any different.
No, that's going up.
I'm just going to do it anyway. The sinks need to clean out anyway, so...
Now that you have to do the blue one. Did you just pour it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming out the blue one.
So blue one? Okay, so left is red and right is blue. Okay. The sink's got a bunch of stuff in it because we haven't opened it in a bit. So there was like a dead fly, so he's gone on a journey, I think. Pouring a bit more. Okay, so because I just poured into the what should be red one again. So it was coming out the red one before. Yeah, I don't know much about this stuff. I mean, I guess we know where that comes out of, but it still doesn't explain what's going on with the shower. I do like watching it all flood under here though, it's pretty fun. It's pretty satisfying. That is a lot of water, that is more water than I poured in, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna shove a little wire of a coat hanger down the shower drain, because it's got a water build up in there and we can't seem to figure out where that's meant to come out, so now we're trying to figure out if it's a cloggage. Are you hitting a bottom of anything?
I don't know. It just won't go in.
Okay, it definitely feels like it's hitting a bottom. And I'd say that's the bottom of the pipe, yeah. So...
Probably curves.
Oh yeah, it would.
But where?
So we know it's not a direct, if it is a cloggage, it's not here. It's not too deep either. Oh, actually, if you look, the water looks a lot further down than it did before. I'm pretty sure the water was higher up.
Maybe pour some water down that drain. Just see what happens.
Yeah, do you want to go out and see if anything comes out?
Yeah. And pour some water down that drain.
Yeah.
I don't know if you have
because so far this here, the shower is like the most, this is where most of the work needs to be done to finish this project. Well, I know this looks like a mess, but it's just excess stuff we need to find a place to put. Other than that, this room is essentially done, other than the side bench. This is pretty much the bulk of the project left, just the shower area. Like, all down here is sweet and cozy. Alright.
Still coming out of that blue one.
Yeah, I saw. There's definitely more water coming out than I poured in, which is interesting. Alright, I'm gonna pour it down the shower now.
Oh, wait, it's the one's slowing down.
Blue one's slowing down.
So make it wait.
No, I'll go pour it in.
Okay.
Because if it's coming out, you'll see it pick up.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go for it. Let's see. Just want to pour a little bit. Certainly, that was a bit more than a little bit. Anything?
Yeah.
So stuff did come out?
Yeah. A little bit, yeah.
Okay, that's interesting then.
It came out more.
So it started coming out more.
Yeah. Oh no, the big one starts coming out.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Here, can you film it? So I can take a look.
It stinks so bad.
Did it pick up?
Yeah.
Okay. Currently sitting out here waiting. See if I can try figure out what's going on. Although there is a lot more water coming out than I remember pouring in, so I thought all the tanks were empty, but maybe it's like flushed something and there's more coming out. Maybe there was like a cloggage or something. I don't know. You doing it?
Yeah.
Are you pouring it now? Oh yeah? Are you doing it now? Yeah, I can see it coming out. Okay, so it's definitely picking up. So there must be a bit at the bottom that's not coming out somehow, which means they... There's a few of the bits coming out, so that's a good sign. Interesting. I don't know why I find it extremely satisfying to watch the water just build up under here. Also, yes, that is a bee nest over there. Beehive. Snagged it on a walk. Thought it was pretty cool. Found it in the third Randonautica video, actually. I think it was the third one when we did the big walk one in the bush. That was fun. I want to do that again. That was good. Anyways, that's that. So if you've got any suggestions, drop them in the comments, I guess. I'm new to all this, so I'll take anything. But I guess while I'm here, I'll just show you guys the deal. We've got the couch looking all nice and lovely. We've got the air cons fitted in. We need to get some new light bulbs for here still. We've got the TV looking all nice and lovely. Yeah, we've got some of the... This is kind of my corner, my domain. You know, I've got my cupboards full of all my bits, and then this is just kind of the cleany corner at the moment.
At the moment, at least.
Yeah. I've also got these cool, they're not aircon, they're like a fan thing. They essentially take out hot air and fuel in cold air through like a fan system. It just keeps the air circulating in here, specifically for the summer months. It's pretty good. Anyways, that's going to end off for today. I hope you guys enjoyed getting another little look into things. But yeah, there's very few little things left at this point. We've been pretty much just spending most of the time just moving stuff in and figuring out what works. So yeah, it's been good. But anyways, I'll catch you later. More fun videos to come, and yeah, hope you guys are having a great day. See you, everybody. Oh, and here's kind of the aftermath of like the shower clean. It's looking pretty good so far. It's getting somewhere.